In the not-too-distant, in fact, quite possibly very near future, your car not only drives itself but also learns and adapts to the ever-changing road conditions. This is no longer a distant dream but a reality that Tesla is bringing to life through its groundbreaking advancements in full self-driving FSD technology. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how Tesla is revolutionizing the automotive industry with its AI-powered approach to autonomous driving.
Tesla has been at the forefront of automotive innovation, and their progress in developing FSD capabilities is nothing short of remarkable. But what sets Tesla apart is their unique approach to AI, which is influenced by Elon Musk's broader involvement in the field through his various ventures, such as XCOM, formerly Twitter, XAI, and OpenAI. As we explore Tesla's FSD technology, we'll also uncover how Musk's vision for AI is shaping the future of transportation.
Question for the audience. How do you think Tesla's advancements in FSD technology will impact the way we travel in the near future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
The role of AI in Tesla's evolution. Tesla's journey towards full self-driving capabilities began with the introduction of Autopilot, a suite of driver assist features that relied on basic AI algorithms. However, as the company set its sights on achieving true autonomy, they realized that a more sophisticated AI-driven approach was necessary.
At the heart of Tesla's FSD technology lies a complex network of neural networks that process vast amounts of real-time data from the vehicle's cameras and sensors. These neural networks are designed to interpret and make sense of the complex visual information they receive, enabling the car to make split-second decisions and navigate through challenging road scenarios.
The transition from basic driver assist functions to full self-driving capabilities has been made possible by the rapid advancements in AI and machine learning. Tesla's engineers have been able to develop increasingly sophisticated neural networks that can learn from the massive amounts of data collected from their fleet of vehicles, allowing the FSD system to continuously improve and adapt to new situations.
Question for the audience. How do you think the role of AI in the automotive industry will evolve in the coming years? Will we see more car manufacturers adopting an AI-driven approach like Tesla? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Advancements in camera-based vision systems. One of the most significant breakthroughs in Tesla's FSD technology has been their shift from relying on traditional sensors like LiDAR and radar to a purely camera-based vision system. This approach, which Elon Musk has been a strong advocate for, is based on the idea that cameras can provide a much richer and more detailed understanding of the environment than other sensors.
Tesla's camera-based vision system works by using a network of 8 surround cameras that provide a 360-degree view of the car's surroundings. These cameras capture a massive amount of visual data, which is then processed by the car's onboard AI system in real time. The AI uses deep learning algorithms to interpret this data, identifying objects, predicting their movements, and making decisions based on this information.
The advantage of a camera-based system over traditional sensor-based approaches is that it can provide a much more nuanced and contextual understanding of the environment. Cameras can detect subtle cues like body language and facial expressions, which can be crucial in predicting the behavior of pedestrians and other road users. Additionally, cameras can operate in a wider range of conditions, including low light and poor weather, making them more versatile than other sensors.
Question for the audience. Do you think a camera-based vision system is sufficient for achieving full self-driving capabilities? Or do you believe other sensors like LiDAR and radar are still necessary? Share your opinions in the comments.
Neural network training and video data. One of the key factors behind the success of Tesla's FSD technology is their approach to training the neural networks that power the system. Unlike traditional rule-based systems, which rely on pre-programmed instructions, Tesla's neural networks learn from vast amounts of video data collected from their fleet of vehicles.
To train these networks, Tesla has developed a specialized neural network architecture that is designed specifically for processing video data. This architecture consists of multiple layers, each of which is responsible for extracting different features and patterns from the input data. By stacking these layers on top of each other, the network can learn to recognize increasingly complex and abstract concepts, such as the difference between a pedestrian and a traffic cone.
To further enhance the learning process, Tesla employs techniques like unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Unsupervised learning allows the network to discover patterns and structures in the data on its own without being explicitly told what to look for. Reinforcement learning, on the other hand, enables the network to learn from its own experiences, receiving rewards or penalties based on the outcomes of its actions.
By continuously training their neural networks on the massive amounts of video data collected from their vehicles, Tesla is able to create an incredibly robust and adaptable FSD system that can handle a wide range of driving scenarios and conditions.
Question for the audience. How do you think the approach of training neural networks on video data compares to other methods of developing self-driving systems? Do you believe this approach will become the industry standard in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Breakthroughs enabled by AI and FSD. Tesla's AI-powered approach to FSD has enabled a number of groundbreaking advancements that have significantly enhanced the capabilities of their self-driving system. Some of the key breakthroughs include
1. Object detection and differentiation. Tesla's neural networks are capable of accurately detecting and differentiating between a wide range of objects in the environment, including vehicles, pedestrians, traffic signs, and more. This allows the car to make informed decisions and respond appropriately to different situations.
2. Predictive modeling of other vehicles' movements. By analyzing the behavior of other vehicles on the road, Tesla's FSD system can predict their future movements and adjust its own behavior accordingly. This predictive capability is crucial for navigating complex traffic scenarios and avoiding potential collisions.
3. Handling complex driving scenarios. Tesla's FSD system has been designed to handle a wide range of challenging driving scenarios, such as city driving, roundabouts, and merging onto highways. By leveraging the power of AI, the system can make split-second decisions and navigate through these situations with ease.
These AI-enabled breakthroughs have had a significant impact on the reliability and safety of Tesla's FSD system. By continuously learning and adapting to new situations, the system is able to provide a level of performance that far exceeds that of traditional rule-based approaches.
Question for the audience. Which of these AI-enabled breakthroughs do you think is the most impressive or important for achieving full self-driving capabilities? Are there any other breakthroughs you think are necessary for FSD to become a reality? Let us know in the comments.
Tesla's Dojo supercomputer. To support the training of their FSD neural networks, Tesla has developed a custom supercomputer called Dojo. This incredibly powerful machine is specifically designed for processing the massive amounts of video data collected from Tesla's fleet of vehicles, enabling the company to train their AI models at an unprecedented scale.
Dojo is capable of processing petabytes of video data, which is equivalent to millions of gigabytes. By leveraging this immense computational power, Tesla's engineers can rapidly iterate on their neural network designs, testing new architectures and training strategies in a matter of days or even hours.
One of the key advantages of Dojo is its ability to perform unsupervised learning on the video data. This means that the system can discover patterns and features in the data on its own, without being explicitly programmed to look for specific things. This unsupervised learning approach allows the FSD system to continuously improve and adapt to new situations, even when encountering scenarios that it has never seen before.
Looking towards the future, Tesla has big plans for Dojo and its role in the development of FSD. The company is continuously working on upgrading the supercomputer's capabilities with the goal of creating an AI system that can learn and adapt at a level that rivals or even surpasses human intelligence.
Question for the audience. How do you think the development of custom AI hardware like Tesla's Dojo will impact the pace of innovation in the self-driving industry? Do you believe that other companies will follow suit and invest in similar technologies? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Integration with other Musk AI initiatives. While Tesla's advancements in FSD technology are impressive in their own right, it's important to consider how they fit into the broader context of Elon Musk's AI initiatives. Musk is well known for his involvement in a number of cutting-edge AI ventures, including X.com, formerly Twitter, XAI, and OpenAI, and there are significant potential synergies between these projects and Tesla's FSD development.
For example, the data and insights gathered from Tesla's fleet of vehicles could potentially be used to inform and improve the AI models being developed at XAI, which is focused on creating advanced language models and chatbots. Similarly, the research and development work being done at OpenAI, which Musk co-founded, could have significant implications for the future of Tesla's FSD technology.
There is also speculation about the potential for cross-utilization of AI technologies and data between Musk's various companies. For example, some experts believe that the machine learning algorithms being developed at X.com, formerly Twitter, could potentially be adapted and applied to the task of training Tesla's FSD neural networks.
As Musk continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI across his various ventures, it's clear that Tesla's FSD technology will play a central role in his overarching vision for the future of intelligent machines. By leveraging the combined resources and expertise of these different projects, Musk and his teams are positioning themselves at the forefront of the AI revolution.
Question for the audience: how do you think Elon Musk's broader AI initiatives will influence the development of Tesla's FSD technology in the coming years? Do you believe that there will be significant cross-pollination of ideas and technologies between these different projects? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Tesla FSD version 12, an AI-driven leap. One of the most exciting recent developments in Tesla's FSD program is the release of version 12, which includes a number of significant AI-driven enhancements and improvements. This latest iteration of the FSD system represents a major leap forward in terms of performance, reliability, and safety, and showcases the incredible progress that Tesla has made in the field of autonomous driving.
Some of the key features and improvements in FSD version 12 include: 1. Enhanced object detection and classification. The new system is capable of detecting and classifying a wider range of objects with even greater accuracy, including pedestrians, cyclists, and animals. This improves the car's ability to navigate safely in complex environments.
2. Improved decision-making in challenging scenarios. FSD version 12 includes advanced decision-making algorithms that allow the car to handle challenging scenarios, such as unprotected left turns and roundabouts, with greater confidence and precision.
3. Smoother and more natural driving behavior. The updated system produces driving behavior that is more smooth and natural, with fewer abrupt movements or unexpected maneuvers. This enhances both the safety and comfort of the passengers.
4. Increased robustness to varying weather and lighting conditions. FSD version 12 is more resilient to challenging weather and lighting conditions such as rain, snow, and low-light environments. This improves the system's overall reliability and expands its operational capabilities.
These AI-driven enhancements in FSD version 12 have been made possible by the continued training and refinement of Tesla's neural networks, as well as the incorporation of new hardware and software components. The result is a self-driving system that is more capable, reliable, and safe than ever before.
Real-world examples of FSD version 12 in action have been impressive, with Tesla vehicles successfully navigating complex city streets, merging onto highways, and handling a variety of challenging driving scenarios with ease. As the system continues to evolve and improve with each new iteration, it's clear that Tesla is well on its way to achieving the goal of full self-driving capability.
Question for the audience: what do you think are the most impressive or significant enhancements in Tesla FSD version 12? How do you think these improvements will impact the public's perception and acceptance of self-driving technology? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Implications for autonomous driving and AI ethics. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-powered self-driving technology, it's important to consider the broader implications for the future of autonomous driving and the ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in this context.
One of the key ethical challenges facing the development of self-driving technology is the question of how to prioritize safety and minimize the risk of accidents and injuries. While AI-powered systems like Tesla's FSD have the potential to greatly reduce the number of traffic accidents caused by human error, there are still concerns about the ability of these systems to handle complex and unpredictable situations.
Another important ethical consideration is the issue of transparency and accountability. As self-driving technology becomes more advanced and autonomous, it's crucial that there are clear mechanisms in place for monitoring and auditing these systems to ensure that they are operating safely and in accordance with established guidelines and regulations.
There are also concerns about the potential for bias and discrimination in AI-powered self-driving systems. As these systems rely on vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions, it's important to ensure that this data is representative and unbiased, and that the algorithms used to process this data are fair and equitable.
In addition to these ethical challenges, there are also significant regulatory hurdles facing the deployment of autonomous driving technology. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are grappling with how to establish clear guidelines and standards for the development and use of self-driving vehicles, balancing the need for innovation with the paramount importance of public safety.
Ultimately, the success of autonomous driving technology will depend not only on the technical capabilities of the systems themselves, but also on the ability of companies like Tesla to navigate these complex ethical and regulatory landscapes. By engaging in open and transparent dialogue with policymakers, industry stakeholders, and the public, and by prioritizing safety and responsibility at every stage of development, Tesla and other leaders in the field can help to ensure that the benefits of this transformative technology are realized in a way that is safe, equitable, and beneficial for all.
Question for the audience. What do you think are the most important ethical considerations surrounding the development and deployment of autonomous driving technology? How do you think companies like Tesla can best address these challenges and ensure that the benefits of this technology are realized in a responsible and equitable way? Share your thoughts in the comments.
The future of autonomous driving. As we look towards the future of autonomous driving, it's clear that the landscape is poised for significant transformation in the coming years. With companies like Tesla leading the charge in the development of AI-powered self-driving technology, we can expect to see rapid advancements in the capabilities and performance of these systems.
One of the key trends that is likely to shape the future of autonomous driving is the increasing integration of self-driving technology into a wider range of vehicles and transportation networks. As the technology continues to mature and become more reliable, we can expect to see autonomous driving systems being deployed not just in passenger cars, but also in commercial vehicles, public transportation systems, and even aerial vehicles.
Another important trend is the growing emphasis on connectivity and data sharing among autonomous vehicles. As more and more self-driving cars take to the roads, there will be an increasing need for these vehicles to communicate and coordinate with each other in real time, sharing data on traffic conditions, road hazards, and other important information. This will require the development of advanced vehicle-to-vehicle (V2V) and vehicle-to-infrastructure (V2I) communication networks, as well as new standards and protocols for data sharing and collaboration.
In addition to these technical advancements, the future of autonomous driving will also be shaped by important social, economic, and policy factors. One of the key challenges will be ensuring that the benefits of this technology are distributed equitably and that the transition to self-driving vehicles does not exacerbate existing inequalities or create new forms of social and economic dislocation.
To address these challenges, it will be important for companies like Tesla to engage in proactive and collaborative efforts to work with policymakers, community stakeholders, and the broader public to develop policies and programs that support the responsible and inclusive deployment of autonomous driving technology. This may include initiatives to retrain and upskill workers who may be displaced by the transition to self-driving vehicles, as well as efforts to ensure that the benefits of this technology are accessible to all members of society.
Question for the audience. How do you envision the future of autonomous driving, and what do you think will be the biggest challenges and opportunities in the coming years? What role do you think companies like Tesla will play in shaping this future? And what steps do you think need to be taken to ensure that the benefits of this technology are realized in an equitable and responsible way?
The importance of collaboration and partnerships. As the field of autonomous driving continues to evolve and mature, it's becoming increasingly clear that collaboration and partnerships will be essential to achieving the full potential of this technology. Given the complexity and multidisciplinary nature of the challenges involved in developing and deploying self-driving vehicles, no single company or organization can go it alone.
One of the key areas where collaboration will be critical is in the development of industry standards and best practices. To ensure the safety, reliability, and interoperability of autonomous vehicles, it will be important for companies like Tesla to work together with other industry stakeholders, including automakers, technology companies, suppliers, and policymakers, to establish clear guidelines and protocols for the design, testing, and deployment of these systems.
Another important area for collaboration is in the realm of research and development. Given the rapidly evolving nature of AI and autonomous driving technology, it will be essential for companies to pool their resources and expertise to advance the state of the art and tackle the most pressing technical challenges. This may involve collaborations between industry and academia, as well as partnerships between companies with complementary strengths and capabilities.
In addition to these technical collaborations, it will also be important for companies like Tesla to engage in broader partnerships and coalitions to address the social, economic, and policy implications of autonomous driving. This may include working with community organizations, labor groups, and other stakeholders to develop programs and initiatives that support the responsible and equitable deployment of this technology.
By fostering a spirit of collaboration and partnership, companies like Tesla can help to accelerate the pace of innovation in the field of autonomous driving, while also ensuring that the benefits of this technology are realized in a way that is inclusive, sustainable, and aligned with the needs and values of society as a whole.
Question for the audience. What do you think are the most important areas for collaboration and partnership in the field of autonomous driving? And what role do you think companies like Tesla should play in fostering these collaborations? How can we ensure that the development and deployment of this technology is guided by a commitment to social responsibility and the greater good?
The impact of autonomous driving on urban planning and infrastructure. As autonomous driving technology continues to advance and become more widespread, it's important to consider the broader impact that this technology will have on our cities and communities. One of the key areas where self-driving vehicles are likely to have a significant impact is in the realm of urban planning and infrastructure.
With the advent of autonomous vehicles, we can expect to see significant changes in the way that cities are designed and organized. For example, the widespread adoption of self-driving cars may lead to a reduction in the need for parking spaces, as vehicles will be able to drop off passengers and then continue on to their next destination. This could free up valuable land in urban areas for other uses, such as parks, green spaces, and affordable housing.
At the same time, the increased efficiency and safety of autonomous vehicles may also lead to changes in the way that cities prioritize different modes of transportation. With self-driving cars able to navigate city streets more effectively and with fewer accidents, there may be less need for dedicated bike lanes or pedestrian-only areas. However, it will be important for cities to carefully consider these trade-offs and to ensure that the needs of all users, including those who may not have access to autonomous vehicles, are taken into account.
Another important consideration is the impact that autonomous vehicles will have on the built environment and infrastructure of cities. As self-driving cars become more common, there may be a need for new types of infrastructure, such as dedicated lanes for autonomous vehicles or smart traffic management systems that can communicate with and coordinate the movement of these vehicles.
To To fully realize the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles for urban planning and infrastructure, it will be important for cities to engage in proactive and collaborative planning efforts. This may involve working with companies like Tesla to pilot new technologies and approaches, as well as engaging with community stakeholders to ensure that the needs and priorities of all residents are taken into account.
Question for the audience. How do you think the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles will impact urban planning and infrastructure in the coming years? What opportunities and challenges do you see for cities as they seek to integrate this technology into their transportation systems and built environments?
The importance of consumer education and awareness. As autonomous driving technology continues to advance and become more widespread, it's important to recognize the crucial role that consumer education and awareness will play in shaping the future of this field. While the potential benefits of self-driving cars are significant, there are also valid concerns and questions that many people have about the safety, reliability, and implications of this technology.
To help address these concerns and build public trust in autonomous vehicles, it will be essential for companies like Tesla to prioritize consumer education and awareness initiatives. This may involve developing clear and accessible information about how self-driving cars work, what their capabilities and limitations are, and what passengers can expect when using these vehicles.
One important aspect of consumer education will be helping people to understand the different levels of automation that are available in self-driving cars and what each level entails. For example, Tesla's full self-driving FSD system is currently classified as a Level 2 system, which means that it can perform some driving tasks autonomously, but still requires human supervision and intervention in certain situations. As the technology continues to advance, it will be important for consumers to understand the capabilities and limitations of each level of automation so that they can make informed decisions about when and how to use these systems.
Another important area for consumer education is around the potential safety benefits of autonomous vehicles. While self-driving cars have the potential to greatly reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, it's important for consumers to understand that no technology is perfect and that there will always be some level of risk involved in using these systems. By providing clear and transparent information about the safety record of autonomous vehicles and the steps that companies like Tesla are taking to ensure their reliability, we can help to build public confidence in this technology.
Ultimately, the success of autonomous driving will depend not just on the technical capabilities of the vehicles themselves, but also on the ability of companies like Tesla to effectively communicate with and educate consumers about this technology. By prioritizing transparency, accountability, and public engagement, we can help to build a future where self-driving cars are not just a technical marvel, but a trusted and valued part of our transportation system.
Question for the audience. What do you think are the most important aspects of consumer education and awareness when it comes to autonomous driving technology? What steps do you think companies like Tesla should take to build public trust and confidence in self-driving cars? And what role do you think consumers themselves can play in shaping the future of this field?
As we've seen throughout this video, the rise of AI-powered autonomous driving technology, led by companies like Tesla, represents a transformative shift in the way we think about transportation and mobility. With the potential to greatly improve safety, efficiency, and accessibility, self-driving cars have the power to reshape our cities, our communities, and our daily lives in profound ways.
At the same time, the development and deployment of autonomous vehicles also raise important questions and challenges that we as a society will need to grapple with in the coming years. From ensuring the safety and reliability of these systems to addressing the broader social and economic implications of this technology, there is much work to be done to ensure that the benefits of self-driving cars are realized in a way that is equitable, responsible, and sustainable.
As we move forward into this exciting and transformative future, it will be essential for companies like Tesla to continue to prioritize transparency, collaboration, and public engagement in their efforts to advance autonomous driving technology. By working together with policymakers, industry partners, and the broader public, we can help to build a future where self-driving cars are not just a technical marvel, but a trusted and valued part of our transportation system that benefits everyone.
So what does the future hold for autonomous driving and AI-powered transportation? Do us a favor and please hit subscribe, and maybe even tell a friend. Now let's keep the discussion going, taking a look at